Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. So, for today, I did a little video at tutorial kung paano ko ginawa yung simple makeup na to. So guys, I'm not a professional makeup artist or whatsoever. Natutunan ko lang to by watching YouTube videos dun sa mga nakikita kong vloggers na nagme-makeup. Ginamit ko lang yung meron akong makeup. So if you wanna see how I did this simple makeup routine or makeup video, just keep on watching. So let's start with my foundation. Use this Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 128 Warm Nude. The foundation, I use this Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Under Eye Concealer in the shade Sand 20. Nilagyan ko lang yung uneven skin tone ko, yung mga dark circles and dark areas sa face ko, especially dun sa mga pimple marks na meron ako. After that, just blend it, girl. Blend lang ng blend. I just use a regular powder here. Johnson's Baby powder will do kung meron kayo nun, so just use that. For my eyebrows, I use this Unbelievabrow from L'Oreal in the shade 112 Dark Brown. For my eyebrows, I just outline my brows, then blend it in. Mas maganda kasi kung onti lang yung product na gagamitin nyo para mas natural yung look, hindi ka magmukhang matapang. Based from the title, I only use one product for my eyeshadow and for my contour, which is this Fashion 21 contouring palette. As a base, I use the lighter shade sa contour palette. Then I use the darker shade just to create the shadow effect sa eyes ko. Para naman mag-pop yung eyes ko, nilagyan ko siya ng glow tint. This is a liquid highlighter na nabili ko sa Pinsan Mir in the shade Queen. Naglagay lang ako ng onti sa eyes ko, then i-blend nyo lang siya. false eyelashes, I got this one from Nichido. I also got this white eyeliner from Nichido. After that, i-blend nyo na yung powder sa face mo. After blending the powder, it's contour time! Nose line. For my blush, I use this Colourette in the shade Bambi. Small dot lang girl kasi masyado siyang pigmented. For my highlighter, I use another glow tint in the shade Goddess. For my lips, I use this Babe Tint in the shade Warfreak. Thank you for watching my video. I'm sorry kung ngayon lang ako nakapag-upload. It's because of the ECQ and the pandemic. So, I hope guys, you are okay. Sana okay yung family nyo. And we're okay naman. So, I'll try my best na makapag-film ng iba pang videos para may ma-upload ako at mapanood nyo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Again guys, thank you for watching. Bye!